Pero totoo nga, ang laki ng pinagbago niya. Meron talaga siyang signs and symptoms of drug addiction.
Itsura, pagsasalita, takbo ng pag-isip. Minsan, napapatalong ako.
Iniisip ko kung hindi niya ayaw niyang magpa-drug test because this is a ministerial duty on the part of the office of the president to make the disclosure, no? Iniisip ko baka puwedeng pumunta sa korte, eh. Kasi this is a constitutional right. Kasi shall gano'n. So you as a member of the public, kasi the public sabi, shall be informed of the state of his health. You have the right to know. So if you have the right to know, you can enforce the right in the courts. 'Di ba?